All right, so show me the two bands that you're using. Double, right? So now,
Yeah.
perfect. Perfect. Now watch this. You're going to get your feet here. On your feet. Grab it like a rope. Right, so your hand is here.
Yeah.
Right? Chest up. Shouldn't breathe. Look how wide my elbows are going. And then adjust the resistance if you have to lower it. Lower the resistance. You've got to really hit that back. So that 15 breaths. Squeeze. Awesome. So I like that because when you get the elbows high, you're pulling here. You're going to hit the posterior deltoid and a little bit on the back. Okay, now we're going to get the deltoids again.
Okay.
Good. Keep the elbows there. Squeeze the shoulder blades in a little bit more. Perfect. That's it. Tighten up your abs and ease into it. Just breathe into it. You've got to really tap into that muscle. Good. Let's do 6 more. Control it. 6. 5. Perfect. 4. 3. 2. And pause. 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 Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Another 3 reps. Go. 3. Perfect. 2. 1. And perfect. Let's do 20 push-ups at the same time. Good. A little bit slow on the negative. Perfect. Keep the tension in. Perfect. Perfect. Shoulders down, elbows up. Perfect. Forward. Really pulling those guys, hitting that upper back. Let's get 8 more in. You got it. Breathe. Slow that negative down. You got it. 6. 5. So that in the muscle, in the muscle. 3 more. 2. Get ready to freeze it. Chest up. And 5 more. Ready? Up. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Rest. Much better. I like that angle. Perfect. Let's do 20 push-ups. Slow down the negative for me. 2 seconds down, 1 second up on the push-up. Perfect. 2 down, 1 up. Good. Keep that core steady. Breathing into it. Beautiful. So right here. Right, and we're going to hold it. Chest up. Hold it. 12. That's it. Get your elbows a little bit higher. Perfect. Think from the elbows. Perfect. Very good. Good. I can see 3 good ones in you. 3 elbows, chest up. 2. 1 more. Excellent. Excellent form. Very good control. Grab onto this over here. Right. And remember, step your body forward. Core engaged. Chest up. Shoulder blades in. 1. 2. 3. Work the negative. Work the negative. 4. Yeah. 5. Breathe. 6. 7. 8. Breathe. 9. Breathe. 10. Breathe. 11. Breathe. Awesome shoulder work. Perfect. 2 second down, 1 second up. 1, 2. Good form. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep at it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What number are we at on a 1 to 10 on intensity?
7.5.
Okay, we have to hit 8 today. That's our mark for today, okay? Get your feet ready. Just right. Reverse. Get these elbows further out. Your arms further out. Good. Elbows a little bit higher on the left elbow, a little bit higher. Yeah, match the right. Perfect. Boom. Boom. Perfect. This time when you do the shoulder push-ups to tack on the anterior deltoid, I want you to lift the core up a little bit, and when you go down, you're doing this. It's almost like replicating when you do a reverse fly in the gym. You're hitting the anterior portion of it and the top portion of it. Let's do it 20 reps. Yeah, and then work the 2 second down, 1 second up. There you go. There you go. Way better. A lot of shoulder strength. Good control. Breathe. Okay. Good. Your triceps are getting developed, obviously, because of all the pushing motions. What number are we at 1 to 10?
We're at 8 now.
8? Okay, so we're a little too far from the average population. We need to downsize and come back to 7 out of 10. It literally has to be like a squat position. So here, stick your hips back and chest up. Like this. And then start pausing up top for a second longer. You really want to take advantage of that contraction. Breathe. Keep your chest up a little bit higher. Good. Let's get 6 more in, like a squat. Tummy in, hips back, utilizing your glutes. There you go, 3 more. Way better. 2 more. 1 more. And pause. Where did you feel that?
All back and some
glutes?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit more stability. A little bit more stability. Brilliant. Brilliant. Nice. Good. A lot of glutes, a lot of back, mid back. Good. Nice contraction. Let's get 10 more in. 9, squeeze. 8, squeeze. 7, squeeze. 6, squeeze. 5, breathe. 4, breathe. Tuck your core in. 3, 2, 1. Get ready to freeze. Contract and rest.